Hey everyone, Lally here. In today's video, I'm going to give you 3 tips which will help you generate leads on LinkedIn for your business. And these 3 tips are extremely potent. In fact, over the years on LinkedIn, I have used them to generate 2K deals, 3K deals, 5K deals, have 5-figure months in my business, even break the threshold of a 5-figure day in my business. I'm not telling you that to show off or to make myself look good, but I am telling it you because it's very, very potent if you can combine these 3 things together for your business and for generating leads. So let's just get straight into it. Tip number 1. Most people, when they join LinkedIn or when they set up their profile on LinkedIn, either they don't fill it out or they fill it out in this kind of boring resume format as if they're about to hand their LinkedIn profile off to a recruiter. These people are easy to spot because you'll see their About Me section. It'll say something like Roger has worked for 30 years as a sales manager, and it'll be all in like this weird third person and everything. Don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. Okay, what you want to do, I'll just quickly break it down to you. You want a nice, friendly and approachable profile picture. You can use a camera phone to it. You can just use a camera phone, stand against a wall and actually have some okay lighting. Maybe it's window light, or maybe it's just your mobile phone flash as well. Just smile and make it nice, warm and friendly. Boom, done, move on. The next area you want on your LinkedIn profile is actually the LinkedIn headline. You have an opportunity to write something underneath your profile picture, and you better do it because it's very, very helpful for telling people exactly what it is you do. So if you can concisely tell people who are viewing your profile exactly what it is you can do in a sentence with the benefit to them, what they'll get out of it. So for instance, my ideal clients are business owners. I tell them underneath my LinkedIn profile, I work with business owners and help them generate leads through LinkedIn. It's very simple. Don't overcomplicate this. Just put it in a plain English way with a clear benefit to them in that as well. The next area, the About Me section. People only generally read About Me sections if they are interested in themselves. Lots and lots of companies out there have this About section, about us, and they talk about the company values and when the company was founded. Trust me, customers do not care about that. The only time customers care is when they read something which is about themselves. Hence why personality tests are massively popular in corporate culture and in entrepreneur culture as well. People love reading about themselves. So how can you use this information and make your LinkedIn profile pretty interesting? Well, in your About Me section, you can talk about your customers' biggest pain points. You can say something about why they struggle, why you think they lie awake at night, why they are in the situation they're in, and then you can also talk about how your service can resolve the situation to make it their ideal defined end goal. So for instance, my end goal for my clients is they want LinkedIn to actually work for them, and they want LinkedIn to actually help them generate leads and generate deals with clients. So I would write my customer pain points. I'd say something like, have you ever experienced not getting clients and worrying about where your next clients come from? Or do you have a LinkedIn profile that's kind of collecting dust? And then I'd say something about my service is designed to help you, shake things up on LinkedIn and actually get your ideal clients coming to you. All right, it's great. It resonates with them and it talks about them as well. It's almost very addictive for people to actually, read about. So that's number 1. Bonus tip for this section. You can also add in client reviews, testimonials, some sort of social proof on your LinkedIn profile that makes other people read it and think, this person's the real deal and this person actually seems like they're pretty helpful. And if you can combine those 4 things, a friendly profile picture, a headline, an About Me section with some sort of social proof like client reviews, you're doing pretty well in the LinkedIn profile department. Number 2, you now want to fill your audience with ideal client connections. So you can go and connect with people over LinkedIn. You can use the premium versions like Sales Navigator, or you can scroll through people's content, or you can just directly search in the LinkedIn search bar For your ideal clients, so say you're targeting CEOs of tech companies, you could search up tech companies there and it'll bring up like CEOs of tech companies. Or you could search like maybe like life coaches if that's your audience as well, or maybe like career coaches, or maybe like business coaches. You can search all these things and then just connect with these types of people, because you want to have an audience full of people, a network full of people that actually are in your ideal client before you start making content. Because if you start making content when you have like not got an audience in front of you, you might as well be on the stage in a theater shouting and giving the best performance of your life, but if nobody's sitting in the seat, nobody's going to care and you're going to get crickets. So make sure you start filling up your ideal connections with people who are your ideal clients. Once you've done that, you actually want to start conversations with people, and trust me, the revenue over LinkedIn is directly linked to the amount of conversations you're having with people. Not got any revenue on LinkedIn? I like to bet you're not having many conversations with people. Once you're having a conversation with a person over LinkedIn, you want to start seeing ask some questions, see if like maybe this person can be helped by your business. Maybe see if what they need is actually what you're offering. And if that is the case, offer to jump on a call with them. It's literally as simple as that. Connect with ideal clients, start a conversation with them, find out if they have like a problem you can solve, and then offer to jump on a call with them. Boom, boom, boom. That is how you book calls. And with like the social proof in your profile as well, that combined together, people are going to be like, this is the real deal. This company, or whatever you are, company, you could be a sole trader, a person on their own. This person can actually help us because they've helped other people who are exactly like us. Number 3, start creating content, because there's going to be a lot of people out there who you've connected with who either won't reply or the conversation will go nowhere because they've not got much trust with you. If you start creating content talking about things like, this is how I help my clients, these are some of the benefits of the service, and start maybe like telling stories about it and interacting with people in the comments and, liking other people's content as well, and actually, having creating a bit of a tribe on there, then people start to say, you know what, I actually quite like Rob's group over here. I actually want to go and join it. I'm actually going to start commenting on his post as well. And if you can start creating consistent content, like 3 to 5 times a week of good high quality content, stuff which will actually help your niche there, then it's very, very potent for you. And so with the combination of a LinkedIn profile, with the combination of, connecting with your ideal prospects and speaking to them and starting relationships with them, and then further building on that with the slow burning mechanism, which is content, you can quite easily start to book calls with that and start to generate interest for your business. And this is literally how you do it. Don't let anybody tell you it's super, super complicated. So I hope this video was very helpful for you guys. Now, if you want some further information on how to get leads from LinkedIn, I've actually included some free training in the top comment just below this video. I've linked it in the top comment. Just click on there and you're going to get a video which is going to show you how to get some more leads on LinkedIn. And that's completely free. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a like. Please subscribe to the channel as well, and see you in the next one.